It's time to craft. Let's go.
Let's go, guys. So I have this cat scratch board that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to apply a coat of this linen white chalk paint by Rust-Oleum. This paint was purchased at the Dollar Tree, not the Dollar Tree, at Walmart, and I've had many uses out of it. It has lasted me this whole Christmas season, and I still have more left. But nevertheless, we're not talking about this paint. I am adding it to this scratch board. Stay focused, Joy. And now I'm taking these bulbs, these glass bulbs that I had purchased from, I think they came from Michael's on their clearance. And for the larger piece, or larger bulb, and the two medium-sized bulb, those came from Michael's. And then those smaller two came in a 2-pack from Dollar Tree. They were plastic. But nevertheless, I am basically recreating what I saw on the Hobby Lobby website. And I am just wrapping the top portions with this jute twine that I purchased from Walmart in a circular pattern. And then I will be doing this for each piece. And there was 5 bulbs total. 1 large piece that will be in the center, 2 of the mediums that will be on the side of the larger piece, and then the 2 small ones on the outside piece. And so now that those are already done, which was done off camera, I am applying some of the, you saw me add Mod Podge, and now I am gluing down these bulbs to this scratch board. And what we're going to do is create you could use this as a centerpiece. You can use it as a table decor, coffee table decor if you want to. You can use it at a kitchen table. You can use it in the bathroom on top of your commode. And what I'm doing is just adding Epsom salt on the inside of each piece using my funnel that I purchased actually from Temu, guys. And now I am adding the remaining portions of this snow that I had purchased from the Dollar Tree. And most of it will go in the centerpiece. However, I will add a little of the flakes to all the other bulbs, just so that the little sparkly glitter that's in this particular snow kind of give it an icy effect, which is what I was going for. Now I'm taking this stem that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I am adding it to the center. And now I am creating my jute twine bows to put on the front of them. I think this turned out cute. Now the original piece that was on the Hobby Lobby website, I don't recall it having any bows to it. So if you like the look that's on the back side without the bows, then feel free to just leave it like that. I just like the bows. I thought it was cute, and it kind of goes back to the whole Christmas with like a present. But never mind me, it's all in my head. And guys, I just want to welcome everybody to my channel. If you have yet to subscribe, please click on the subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you anytime I upload anything to my channel. Guys, I have been so sick this week, and I am just thankful to be able to put this out. I could not edit any videos. I was messed up, guys. But thank you for all your prayers. I did read your comments. I did try to support you guys when you were uploading your videos to your channel. I tried my best to, give you that support while I was just resting. And everyone did a wonderful job. But guys, look at this. It's simple, it's rustic, it's wintry, and I absolutely think that this executed well. And you know what I like to say when I think something is cute? It's cute. Now, minus the clog sound. But nevertheless, guys, I think this is cute. I think this will fit anyone's home if you have a rustic or rustic farmhouse or neutral decor I think this would fit inside of there. And I just styled it with some of the, one of the DIYs I did using the cone styrofoam that I bought from the Dollar Tree, and then the other items that I had purchased from Michael's and Dollar Tree. But nevertheless, guys, I'm just rambling. I'm just glad to be back. Until the next DIY, have a blessed weekend, guys. Bye.